Why didn't you record it at the very beginning?
Okay, you can also combine with line.
Linesy, linesy, lines. I love lines. They're so nice.
What are you talking
They're
about?
for beginners. They're for beginners.
What are you talking about?
Lines are for beginners.
What are you talking about?
I know you don't understand.
Yeah, because I don't understand because you're just saying nonsense.
No, I'm not saying nonsense.
Yeah, it's time for you to walk, not to talk.
Well, if you try,
Sorry. We have to mute just a while so that you guys can achieve the goals, something like this. Okay, Alithia, can you show me please your process, the progress? Yeah, Alithia, please, you have to press it more harder so that the color will be more solid. Yeah, press the crayons more harder. If you do not press it too, if you do not press it harder, later the effect will not come. All right, and Ruth, can you show me your progress, please? Your picture, please, Ruth. Oh, it's signal again. Wi-Fi. I'm in connection. How is it? Yeah, Ruth, make the line a little bit more smaller and make it a lot. Yeah, it's like an ant marching. They are like walking together to go to somewhere place. Okay, I'm going to tell you a story. I use this technique when I am joining the Indonesian Japan drawing competition, and I get the second place. I have the second winner for the drawing competition. I get medals, and then I'm using this kind of technique. Okay, so if you guys join in the art competition and you found out that so many people are using the conventional or the normal coloring technique, you can use this kind of technique. Trust me, it works. The judge will score you differently because you have a unique way how to create something. Okay, Ruth, I want you to press it more harder. Evo, press it more harder, please. It can be a dot or it can be a small line.
I'm already pressing it harder.
Yeah, Root and Evo, please make it. You can create it as a dot or a dash line like this. But something that you need to make sure is you have to press it more hard so that the crayons stick very well on your paper. Okay, we're going to see the magic after this one. All right, now I'm going to use white. Even white, we can use it for coloring our sketches. Yeah, for example, I'm using white.
Yeah, but why does it go to my paper?
Okay, maybe some object you can use white. You will see later on white is really awesome. Okay, I'm using white now for one Christmas tree. Actually, Christmas tree have another name, right? Not a Christmas tree. I think I forgot, but
It doesn't even look like a very nice Christmas tree. It looks
looks like a fire. Yeah, I know.
okay? Ha 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 ha.
Okay, Alithia, can I see it again, please? One more time. How's your progress? Can you close to the camera, please, Alithia? I want to see. Oh, cool. Yeah, make it more tidy, please, Alithia. Yeah, good job, like that. Just
there.
make sure.
You're
Ivo, I want
already
to see yours.
placed again.
Ivo, I want to see yours first. Your drawing. Closer to the camera, please. Closer to the camera, please. Okay, move closer. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Ivo, make it more closer, please. The distance between one and another. Yeah, Ivo, keep up the good work. I want you to make it more closer, yeah? Make the line more closer each other like this so that we can get the very maximum effect later on when we color it with watercolor later. Don't be too lazy to color it. We already learned about somebody,
Oh,
yeah, somebody. Uh,
ever watch in YouTube in my tablet the lazy girl
yeah, the
from
pretty
Kids Hub?
girl.
It's from
Right.
Kids Hub.
Yeah, you can use wavy line, you can use curly line, you can use straight line or dash line for this project, for this painting lesson.
And that's good amazing.
Yeah, just apply as many as colors style as you can. Okay, now is Mr. Al using the curved line like this.
Is that white color white? That color is
Wee.
that color white? Is that color white?
This one
Yeah, it's white.
I'm using pink.
Yeah.
Oh, use red.
For the
I'm gonna copy because I like it.
Can I use a different color for the stripes?
Yes, you can.
I might use purple because I'm gonna use pink because that's what I look like in the mangas.
Yeah, I'm also pink.
I'm gonna use dark pink and light pink. Plus, my name is purple.
But my name is Fruit Cat.
I'm gonna name myself. I cannot name myself Wolf. If for Wolf, that's because I don't have the wolf ears. It's for Halloween.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Let's go change our name.
But I have the wolf ears, so I'm gonna call me Wolf.
Ugh. You stole my useless name.
Well,
Okay,
because I like it.
I almost done. I want to see how's Ruth doing it.
You
Ruth,
cannot just steal.
how is it, Ruth?
I am you, and I'm not wanting to be an imposter.
Okay, Ruth and Evo,
Yummy
come
day.
on. Ruth, can I see your progress, please? Push it more harder, yeah? Harder, harder. That is crayon, right, Ruth? Ruth, is that a crayon or pastel?
Yes,
Okay, cool.
Korean.
Yeah, make it more closer, please, the line, Ruth. Not just only doing it like that. You have to arrange it very nice, yeah, the line and everything. Okay. Now I am trying to color the person, the dog and the baby. This technique, we call it wax art or decorative drawing or decorative painting because we can decorate everything with every line and dots. Okay. Okay, for the baby, maybe I just want to draw the kids. I draw the line. Start. I'm using white. It's okay, guys, if you want to use white.
I need the brownie. Then I need the brownie.
I'm gonna eat the cover.
I am not making a sense. I'm not making a sense. And I'm not talking.
All right, I think I'm done. I'm going to wipe it with watercolor, and you will see the
Equal.
magic.
equal. I am not doing a sense, and I'm not talking.
Stop it, Ma. For the magical parts.
Excuse me. I'm a disgust. But nothing ever stops me. Than just one bear.
Okay, how is it? Done?
No.
How is it, Ivo? Done? Alithia? Show your thumbs if you think that you're almost done. Okay. Alithia, is it hard for you? Yeah, don't forget the hill, yeah, at the front side of the kids and the daddy. Alithia, you can modify the line with the dots or dash line or wavy line. Try to create as many lines as you can. And then Ivo also, you have to apply so many lines in your drawing. And Ruth also, please push more harder your crayons so that the effect will be very nice later.
Yeah, but they
Okay, I'm going to do some experiment now. You will see that I'm.
People, can you stop talking? I'm trying to concentrate.
I need quiet.
Okay, everybody. Now I'm using blue color. I mean green color, dark green on this area. Yeah. I wipe it with the watercolor now. So, pencil, I'm going to try it. I use the pencil.
Oh, yeah.
What are you saying?
Sorry, I need to change my paintbrush first. Yeah. Wait.
You will really be amazed.
Oh, remember the last time when we played the texting game?
Yes, I remember everything what we done. Oh.
You don't scream. It hurts in my ear.
Belum.
And I'm not making a sense. Excuse me.
Yeah, Ruth and Ivo, are you done? This is the tips
I'm
here.
almost done.
Yeah, you have to use water and make the paint a little bit more watery like this. And then while this one is still wet, you just wipe it and you will see the magic that the water are not blending with the crayon because the crayon or the pastel is made from wax. And then the water will automatically spreading uh, to the papers, something like this. Okay, how is it, Alithia? You still working with that? Try to apply as many lines as you can. Yes, like that, Alithia. Good job. Now color the clothes of the girl and the daddy. This one is like the daddy and her daughter. And Ivo, press the crayons harder so that you will see the effect like this. Okay, later our painting will looks like, I mean, a little bit similar with the one that created by Vincent van Gogh. How is it, Ruth? How is it, Ruth? And another tips is if you can use a big brush, big pen brush, it will the effect will be more appear, yeah? All right, Ruth and Ivo, there is a time for us to discuss, there is a time for us to work very hard and to show our effort. That's why
Discuss who is the imposter.
what is imposter? We will not talking.
Imposter, the bad guy from Among Us.
Yeah. We're not
We're
talking about the.
roommates.
Yeah, we're going to talking about the Among Us later on. We have to finish our artwork first. After that, we can discuss about that things. Okay. Remember that last time we also discussed that you need to work faster, right? Last time, Ruth do not really finish the project because we are busy talking about something until that the time is up and suddenly, yeah, you will left behind your friend later on. That's why now I want you guys to do it. Stop talking first, do first. Do as Mr. Al said, press the crayons. Make as many lines as you can. Don't use water yet if you do not finish with all covering with the crayon first. Ruth, are you now or Ruth, are everything has been covered with the crayons? Ruth, is that your paper already covered by the crayons?
What?
Is your paper already covered with the crayon?
Yes?
Okay, good. Now, Ruth, you just need to put more water on your watercolor and then you just wipe it without need to press it, yeah? Like this. Here. Just wipe it, no need to press it. It will automatically, the water will automatically spread himself to to the paper later on. So you don't need to press it, yeah? For the painting. Just put the water like this, it will be spreading anywhere like that. Cool. Okay, since you are now working with the paint, Ruth, what's happened? What's happened when you put
What?
the watercolor on your paper, on your crayons? Can you share with us, Ruth?
I I can still see it.
Yeah, is the water and the crayons, okay, does the water and the crayons mix together or not? They will separate or not?
No.
Yeah, they're separate, right? They cannot be blend because the crayons made from wax. Okay, Alithia, are you now working with the paint? Okay, cool. Now, Alithia, make your paint a little bit more
Yes.
watery. Yeah, use water more like this and use a big pen brush if you have it. You have to use a watercolor brush like this, yeah? You cannot use the acrylic paintbrush. And then after that, while this is still wet, you just wipe it on your. Don't press it too hard. Jangan terlalu ditekan brushnya. Nanti dia efek waxnya nggak ada. Ini dia berpisah karena wax dari crayon nggak nyampur dengan air, and it will look, I mean, creating the nice effect later on. Yeah, Ivo, are you now working with the paint, Ivo?
Yep. It's so beautiful.
Yeah. Don't forget, don't put too many water. I mean, don't put too many paint. You have to use more water. Make it more watery. Yeah? It looks beautiful now.
Ooh, yes, more beautiful.
If I do something about magical things, what shall I use? I'm gonna draw the clothes. Just draw.
Ooh, I like the color.
Al,
Yeah, Ruth.
can I draw the clothes? Can I draw the clothes with watercolor paint?
Yeah, yeah, of course. Yeah, you can. What color you want? Is it pink or blue or what?
Or
Purple.
yellow.
I want purple.
Okay, that's purple is also cool.
It's cool.
What?
I always say cool when it's cool.
What? And then
You get it?
and and then I'm gonna use yellow for the skirt.
Yeah, okay, that's a good plan.
Wow, I like the polka dots. What? When I wrote with the jackets, it kind of goes out. It doesn't want to go straight.
Yeah,
Really? Yeah,
Oh.
magic.
Oh. Wait, magic is not real.
Yeah, it is real for paints.
Uh, wait, you mean this painting?
Yep,
Oh man.
this is so beautiful magic.
It is not oh yeah. Wow, God, I said it's not magic.
It is magic. Why do you always forget to state the things?
I do not know. Why do you always say that?
That's because I am a calmness.
What?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you?
Did you not notice I am sick because I am coughing?
You mean sick. Oh man,
okay,
just go
so
drink water.
before
Then
you
you're
can
fine.
drink some water first.
Yeah, just drink some water and like go, and then go.
But something just fall.
What? Nothing can stop me than you. Dude, I don't know that song. Can you stop singing it?
My favorites.
Lah kok biru? Lo krayonnya kan hijau.
Right, for this painting, typically you can use any color you want. Right? For the for the sky, it doesn't have to be blue or black or yeah, you can use also green or purple. Make it more colorful as you can, guys.
Or maybe rainbow.
Can be
What?
blue.
That would be cool. Rainbow in the sky.
And don't press your paintbrush too hard, okay? Put the water, I mean, put the watercolor very watery. Put so many water on your watercolor and then use your energy.
Ooh, water. I like water.
You don't
What?
need to your energy. Don't push your energy too hard to paint your paper. Yeah, something like that. Wow, this is cool, man. It looks really artistic.
Jingle bell, jingle bells, ring, jingle bells rock. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells rock. The girl that I draw has gloves. What?
That's what?
Gloves.
Okay.
That's cool. That's too cool.
Well, sometimes I do something wrong, but sometimes I do something right. So it's all that matters. I don't care. I don't care what that.
Why before someone in Among Us is named stupid
Oh no.
and said bad words? That's not nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
The good thing I am the host.
Okay, if the game is teaching you some bad words, you have to avoid them. I mean, you have to stop.
Well, I'm telling you that someone in Among Us is named stupid and said bad words, but good thing I am the host. The host can make sure that it is safe.
Okay.
So they can kick or ban it.
Okay, cool.
That's cool.
We will show you the game.
You can name yourself.
Yeah.
Why am I like this?
I have the fox ears and I have a little crewmate for my friend.
You mean wolf ear?
Oh, di rusak. Dibuang ya.
What?
Well, not wolf ear. I have a little crewmate.
I know. It's so cute. I ever seen it. I also have it, but I lost it when I delayed it Among Us. I lost it.
But when I die, my little crewmate sits alone.
I know. All of the pets are sad when you are dead.
Yeah, and also I cry. Are you sick? Are you sick? Go to the doctor just right away.
Okay, if it is possible, maybe you can sing a song rather than talking about something which is not really having a meaning. Okay, I'm going to ask Ruth to sing. Ready, Ruth? 1, 2, go.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. La, 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 la. And that's done because I know all.
Okay, now it's turn for. Now Eva's turn. Come on, Eva. You wanna sing something? Some song maybe?
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle bells, jingle bells ring. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells rock. And I forgot the rest.
Okay.
What?
How about Alithia? Alithia, you wanna sing something?
Why you also sing I don't know all the rest? Huh? I don't know all the
That's
rest.
for fun.
Wait, did you say? Want to sing a song?
Okay, why don't we give this time for Alithia to sing a song? Ready, Alithia? 1, 2, go.
No. I don't know the song. I don't know any song. I forgot. Wait, I'm gonna think of a song real quick. Oh wait.
Jingle bells ring. Jingle bells.
Jingle bell rock. Snow in the snow and the jingle bells square. Now the jingle bells Let's think about I forgot. Why is the song so hard? I forgot.
Oh no,
And
it's
the box, yeah, I forgot. Okay, okay.
started.
I don't know the song. I forgot. Now, Mr. Al's time to sing. Oh no.
Lemon tree. Yay, I love it.
Lemon tree. Okay.
I wonder why. I wonder why. Yesterday you told me that
The blue sky and all that I can see is just another lemon tree.
I'm turning my head up and down.
Down.
Turning, turning around. And all that I can see is just another lemon tree. Da, 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 dee, da, da. Da, 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 dee, da, da. Da, dee. At the very beginning, I'm sitting here in the boring room because it's a boring room. What?
Yes. I cannot draw like that. I have a song with my eyes, with my ears.
We already hear that.
Different.
With the nose, with the eyes, I swear I smell with my ears.
What?
Simulator. I don't know how to say it.
Not taco kitchen. All right.
Yeah, you said taco kitchen.
All right.
That's
Okay.
That I can see, and now that I can see, and now that I can see.
Just a lemon tree. Just another
And
lemon.
there's a band on my paper.
And then I drew my paper.
Guys, this is very long now.
Is anyone done? I am done. Can you present it, Mr. Al?
I'm going to present. Yeah. Wait. I'm going to present it.
On another game.
Ready, get set, and go. See that this one is like Van Gogh's decorative or impressionism style. Okay, hi everyone. My name is Mr. Al. People call me Mr. Handsome sometimes. And then I have a very nice and beautiful voice when I'm singing. And and then people
What?
people often like to hear me singing, especially when I'm singing the
Your
Let It Go.
voice is not good. You sing false, right?
And why do you call yourself Mr. Handsome?
Don't know.
Oh no, oh no, no, no.
I'm called Mr. Awesome. Oh no.
I know that.
Oh no.
Okay. This is my drawing. Actually, I'm drawing daddy and his daughter. They are climbing the trees. I mean, climbing the hill, and they are gathered in some of the hill, and they are trying to watching the starry night. And I'm using Van Gogh's painting style, what we call it, impressionism technique. And I use so many colors, like I'm using so many crayons
I love
I
yours.
mix with a lot of colors, and then yeah, I'm using a lot of lines and dots, and then that's it. This one it looks very old and it's like a little bit more scary. It's like that I'm having a bad dream sometime, but yeah, I'm trying to applying the Van Gogh painting style, something like that. Okay, everybody, thank you so much.
My turn.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. You don't need to clap.
Oh,
You don't need to clap. Wow, that's really cool. Are you done?
yep.
No, 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 not done. I can still see the white space on that area. Ivo, you're not done yet. Sorry, you're
I
rejected.
forgot.
Sorry, you've been rejected.
I always forgot.
Pakai yang ini.
Yani, Ivo udah kayak grandma, Ivo lupa terus ya. I always forgot something. Habis itu Kakak Alithia, are you done?
I don't know how to do the thing.
Yes.
Oh, I'm not done. I still have the
So
smudge.
beautiful.
Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay. How about you, Ruth?
Oh, also not done yet.
Okay, remember Ruth, last time you are the last one. I want you to catch up. Come on, faster. And then, yeah, you have to manage your time, Ruth. There is a time for us to talk and there is a time for us to work sometime. So, yeah, I don't want you to put yourself in trouble later on in your classroom if you have in your school normal later on. I used to proud of who's the student working very fast, but not really like a lazy things like doing very fast, but you not really finish it. No, I really appreciate the kids who willing to work very fast and then they just can manage their self. Like they do not really talking a lot. When they are working, they have to keep their mouth zip and then yeah. We can talk after this one. Okay, we will discuss about something among us. When I say among us, Ruth suddenly like surprisingly uh say yeah. And then I know that Ivo also like among us. Ruth, how is it? And Ivo, color first and turn off your effect, your background effect, whatever.
Hey,
Turn off your screen effect, please. First. Okay. Right, it's a bit expressive, but I can, yeah, all right. You want to start now?
I kind of put some white thing. So many dirty things.
Okay, smile first, please. People, smile. Ready, 1, 2, go. Don't cover your face, people. Okay, you can start now, Ivo.
So
Yeah.
this is my painting and drawing and crayoning color. I don't know how to say it, but I know it's pretty amazing and very happy. And my name is Ifo.
Then,
This is a girl and the dad, and she has bunny ears.
mm-hmm.
And the dad has bat ears.
Mm-hmm.
I know it's very nice.
And then,
This is the trampoline.
you drew the trampoline. And then what else? How to draw like that? Can you please give us a tips, your knowledge, how to do it?
You just have to use paints, marker, and crayon.
Okay. Can you tell us step by step which one is the first one and which one is the last step?
first you have to draw. The second, you have to use the crayon. The last, you have to use the paint.
Okay. How is it so far? Are you happy with the result?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you notice that there is a difference between this painting and the previous painting before?
Uh,
Yeah. What is the difference before?
what now?
What is the difference between this painting and your previous painting before?
The crayon.
Yeah, you add crayons, right? And you mix it.
It's the magical part in your life.
Okay, okay. Ivo, can you tell us 5 things that you learned from this lesson?
I learned how to use crayon and paint
Okay, 1,
together,
2,
and I learned how to do the school thing.
okay. And then third, Moby, you learn about what? Which one?
Is I I learned how to draw like this.
Okay, people from behind. All right, and the last one, fifth one, the fifth one.
The last in the world.
Yeah, what is the last one that you learned?
I learned how to draw like this, but it's like a coral.
Okay.
I actually made my own Christmas tree.
Yeah. I appreciate your effort. Before you are very creative, sometimes you have your own idea, and that is really good. Yeah, your initiative and your idea are very highly appreciated by Mr. R. You are very creative, Ivo. You have to remember that you are creative. You can find another way how to express your idea. Good job, Ivo. Now we have who wants to be the first, the second one? Oh, Ruth. Okay. Come on, Ruth. Wait. I'm going to remove Kim first, and I'm going to go to Ruth now. Ready, Ruth? Smile first. We're going to the photos.
Hi everyone, my name is Ruth and I got this picture. Well, it's a little bit same, but I got the teddy bear holded by this little girl, that's me.
Mhm.
And I draw the mountains, it's different color. And and also there's the wind, these are the stars, and this is my own Christmas tree.
Okay. How is it? How's your feeling when you mix the crayons and the water? Can you see the difference?
Just normal.
It's normal?
Yes.
Okay, I think you need to make it more, you need to push the crayons more harder so that you can see the effect later on. Are you happy with the result, Ruth?
Yes.
And then can you mention 5 things that you learned from this lesson, maybe?
I learned not to be late.
First, I learned about,
I learned not to be late.
okay, the second one,
I learned how to draw drawings like this.
mm-mm. And the third one, I learned,
The third one, I learned how to draw neatly.
okay, neatly. Fourth one,
I learned I learned not to mix colors.
okay, good. The fifth one, the last one,
I learned to follow.
and then you learn to follow the instruction, right? You learn how to follow the instruction, right, Ruth?
Yes.
Yes, Ruth, you know what? You are very good. Your drawing is looks really interesting, and then you follow the instruction well, and your behavior are very good. You talk, you have so many ideas to talk. You discuss everything with
I
Evo.
made a bunny plushie.
Yeah, you are very smart, Ruth. You have to remember the things and keep up the good work, Ruth. Bravo, Mr. I'll give you 2 thumbs up, and Evo also 2 thumbs up and
I
10.
made a little bunny.
Okay, now we have to give this time to Kak Alicia. Everybody need to show respect. We're going to listen up to Kak Alicia presentation. Okay, are you ready, Alicia? Come on, hold it first, and we're going to take photos just a while.
I don't know. What does it look like? Oh, wait, I'm going to turn out the background.
Okay.
So you can see this. Okay, okay.
Ready, smile, cover your face. Okay, now you can start.
Hi, my name is Olivia, and this is my painting of Banjo. I don't know what his name is because. So this is a beautiful starry night that I made. So here's the girl who is me, and here's a dad. So they're watching a starry night. That's the sea. I colored this with a lot of crayons. So I use a lot of water to paint that. So yeah, this this is one of the hardest because I have to like keep making like flip so it can be see through. So you can make it cool like this.
Okay, what do you think about your painting now? Is it beautiful or what?
It's cool, but there's a little mistake. There's something dripping, but you can't see it. It's something purple.
Okay. Are you happy with the result? So
Yeah.
far?
But I got
Okay. Did you notice there is a difference between your painting now and your painting last week?
Hmm?
Did you notice that this painting looks different between the painting that you did last week?
Yeah.
Yeah, what is the difference?
Huh?
What is the difference of your painting now and your painting last week?
I think it's the coloring.
The coloring technique, yeah.
Yeah. I have another one that my mom made.
I kind of sort of make the back. I kind of write the background wrong.
Wait, I'm going to take photos. Wait, ready, 1, 2, go. I think your mommy have a very good talent in art also. She is an artist. She is the real artist, I think.
This is my mom's. I think
Yeah,
so.
really cool. All right then. Kakak Alithia, can you tell us 5 things that you learned from this lesson, please?
Uh,
One. One is
um,
I learned how to draw
I learned how to draw
the
the
girl.
place where tree, the trees over here
Yeah, and then the second one, I learned how
to make the the uh the clouds. They look so cool that I don't make it, but I like the clouds.
and then the third one,
I learned how to make the I learned how to make this. I, over here it looks kind of gradation. I added some like pink.
yeah, that's cool. Number 4, now, fourth one, come on. You learn about what?
I think making people facing backwards because
Yeah, okay.
yeah.
And the fifth one, please.
I think making the
The hill, the mountain.
yes the hills.
Okay, thank you so much. Ivo and Ruth, please give a round of applause for all of you guys. You have doing a very good job for today. Just
I
remember,
am flying in the clouds.
yeah, just try to keep up the good work, keep on studying, keep on learning.
I mean yeah.
Why don't you just put your own background?
Okay, Ruth, you have anything to say? You want to say something, Ruth?
I'm
Drawing.
Okay then.
What did you say for?
because I like your drawing.
Oh, Ruth said that she liked your drawing, Alicia.
I like your drawing too.
Wow, everyone is like they're drawing together, yeah. All right, everybody, it's time for us to take a rest. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Boo boy, boo boy, boo
Bye-bye.
boy,
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
boo boy. Ooh,